You ever hungry and craving pizza in the middle of the week? Well, I have the perfect recipe. English muffin or bagels to make a quick and easy pizza. Or if you want to have some fun with the kids on a Saturday night, all you need is some tomato sauce. You can get it. This is homemade, or you can get it out of the can. Just put as much as you like on it. This is a little bit, a lot, but however you like it. Just spread it out. Whatever ingredients you want on top. Here I have some sausage, got some mozzarella cheese. Just sprinkle that on, just like this. Again, as much as you like. Whatever ingredients you like, you can even have a white sauce. It really doesn't matter. Mushrooms. So I'm just going to put some of this sausage on these. I like a lot. And we'll leave the others just plain cheese. So put it in the oven, and 5-10 minutes later, you got pizza.